grams， 一共要135克。糯米粉 glutinous rice 要135克。
So 135 gram sticky rice.
Have to be exactly 155.
35.
Yeah, 135 grams. 完蛋了，该不会不够吧？我要死掉了。
Now we are making fillings for the mooncake. This one is lotus paste. So we want to make sure every filling is 20 gram.
25. 黏米粉要103克 ，rice flour 103 grams altogether. 等一下。
好。
抹茶粉2克 ，2 grams of the matcha powder. 炖面粉60克 ，wheat starch 60 grams altogether. 又说什么 ？Mix all ingredients together， 把所有的粉、牛奶还有油弄成一个 paste。
So we're making the skin of the mooncakes.
You need to have enough oil, otherwise the dough later after steaming it will be very very sticky. You can't make the mooncake with a dry dough. The dough need to be steamed for 20 minutes before it's ready. 现在呢，把这个豆呢弄成一个球，弄成球状之后呢，把它压扁。压扁之后呢，把这个放进去，把莲蓉放进去，虎口的地方封起来，弄成一个球。啊，你先暂停。So after you stir fry the glutinous flour, put a little bit inside the mold, and then push in the dough. Make it flat. Push 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push it out like this.